guys, here I am again at Deadend, but it's just not another beach vlog. A few months ago or a year ago, I did a vlog where I went by the runway and I record planes coming in, plane spotting. Let's try the other way around. Let me get back into my car and we'll go down past the airport. They're extending the runway now. You'll see some construction there. Going by Whitehall and drive in and see how far around the airport I can get. If it pushes far enough, we should be able to come back around to Deadend, but we'll see. Let's go. I don't know how this will turn out. Alright, so driving back from Deadend to go around. This is the turn off. And this carries you to the airport and, more importantly, the North Coast Highway. Before the highway and everything, you just drive straight, and that avenue is called Kent Avenue. You used to drive straight and go around the airport. Now pulling up to the White House Village area. There is Sandals hotels and whatnot in the back there by the airport. We're gonna get in there. Look the sign right here, White House Village. See a lot of heavy construction equipment to do with the extending of the runway. They've really upgraded the roads here. This is way different. See, sometimes it's good just to explore. I didn't know that they upgraded the roads in the back here. Cool. So all of this fence, this is the airport fence that we're seeing. Nice. And this is it. And as you can see, there is a fence going across the road, so I can't get further. There is a sign saying restricted access. Planes operating, aircraft operating, that kind of thing. Yeah, but as I was saying, this is the road. This is the fence here. The road, the same road I drove in on, Kent Avenue. This is it. This would connect back to Deadend. And this is how you got out of Montego Bay. And you head into Falmouth and those places. Quite interesting history, isn't it? As close as I could get, guys, without jumping a fence. Could you guys see the plane there? It's coming in. And there it is. So the cool thing is we actually saw a plane landing from this side. And that was a plane taking off. There's a fence, so I can't get any closer. Let's go back around my Deadend. I was on my way out to head back, but then by the new bridge, I think I might get a good angle of a plane taking off, so I decided to stop. Let's go. This is like the new road. It has a little bridge here. That's the airport and the runway behind us where they're building. When a plane is taking off, we should get it. I didn't even know that plane was behind us. What the hell? Kind of scared the hell out of me. This side I got a nice few planes landing, about 2 or 3 planes landing, and about 2 or 3 planes taking off. Now I'm ready to go around back by Deadend. Let's go. So I'm right at the side of the highway by Burke Barracks. It's over there. I was coming and I saw it. I saw this little road. That's the runway right there, right beyond this fence. So we're on the other side. Let's see if we get any action from here. is that? That's the plane right there. It's a little closer on this side. When it comes off the runway and turns and goes back to the terminal, you get pretty close to the plane. Pretty cool stuff. All right, for sure, now we're going back to Deadend. But look at this. That's the airport there. That's the highway. There is a drain. And look at this pretty flowers, lilies. So I'm back by Deadend, as you can see, by the beach. Alright, so I'm walking around the wall at the end of Deadend. As you can see, the rocks are a little slippery, but I have on water shoes, so that helps. So this is the little beach at the other side of the wall in Deadend. That's the wall. Alright, you see this little trail, and this is where you walk up. And then you will come across this bridge and you walk over, and that's the airport right there. You can see all the planes lined up and everything. As you can see, this was a bigger bridge on both sides. I'm guessing this was a bridge that would carry you across and around. You know, the road, as I said, Kent Avenue would cross right here. Oh, there's a plane coming, so I'm going to hurry. There's a hole in the fence that you go through. I really want to see the plane landing closer. Let's go, let's go. Oh, there it is. No matter how much times I see it, when you get up close, you really feel the power of the planes. It's frightening. I'll be the first to admit that. If you look behind me, you'd see the guys bathing right there. That's in Deadend. That's the beach. See how close it is? And this is the road, guys. Where we saw the fence on the other side, that's a bit further down. So just saw a plane take off from this side. I wasn't directly behind it, but yet I felt the blast. I had to hold onto the fence. Amazing, amazing power. And there's a next plane coming. I'm going to set up the GoPro right underneath. I'm not going to go directly underneath to try to capture a shot. Let's go. Whoa, that's the closest I've gotten. Nothing, this is the angle, nothing beats this. Woo, amazing. That's the lights for the runway. I am standing now. The light starts out in the ocean. It continues, and that's it. That's directly the middle of the runway going that way. It's cool, right? Are we really allowed to be this close to the airport where they land? They've since added this marl, gravel. I'm not sure why. I thought they would have blocked it up, but it's not. It's still open. You can still come and do some serious close-up plane spotting. Pretty powerful. Another one is going to take off, and I'm actually going to film the water for you to see. You actually see the water being pushed in the waves. And look at the water. Whoa! I'm not sure the camera is catching it. But but it's just the awesome power of a plane taking off and landing. And it's one of the airports where you could get really, as you see, really, really close to the plane's landing. So I'm waiting around again for maybe one more plane to land, try to get a nice shot. I hope the slow-mo shots that I set up work out with the action camera. You know, these are things I don't really know until I go home and I look at the footage myself. As you saw, there are some birds over there, and it always amazes me how nature is able to survive in the middle of all of this jet engine and noise, and these birds are just there chilling on the runway, eating stuff. You know, it was part plane spotting, you know, getting all these exciting shots and whatnot, and part history lesson. As I said, this road I'm walking on was the main road at one point in time. And as you saw, we went to the other side, but there's definitely a closed fence there. There is no security guard, and it goes on the beach, so I'm sure if I walk around the beach, I could have walked up and come around. But I'm sure it's a good distance over there, and I would have to walk a lot to come around to reach this side. The easiest way to access and to get close and see all this action up close and personal is from Deadend. You walk around the wall, cross the bridge, and it comes through the hole in the fence. Alright, fence with hole. Going back through fence with hole, be careful, there's a lot of blade wire and whatnot. Just have to watch yourself. Then you come across this bridge. Now, interestingly enough, this looked like it was dammed or it was a floodgate, most likely, because, could you see it? Has all those things there. And if you look on the ground there, that looks to be an old floodgate that used to be there. So I'm walking over the bridge, and just some interesting history there with that floodgate. Both sides, and from here you can see the wall. There's this track, and that's the wall we walk around. You see it's not deep at all, it's not even reaching my knees. And that's Deadend. That's wall and Deadend. As I mentioned, this wall wasn't there, the road used to just go straight. Walking back to my car now, nice little cool evening. I didn't take a bath today, but next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this little excursion by the airport, in and about and all around the airport. I had a good time making it for you, and I hope you had a good time watching it. Remember, I do tours now, so contact me if you guys are coming to Jamaica and you want a really good tour. You know, I'll fix you up. And remember, like, subscribe, all of those good things, and I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye!